Well, this is Oldenstadt Family Farm. My ancestors homesteaded it in 1883, part of the bird land acquisition, or the Homestead Act in Oregon. So we've had 120 acres for 4 generations. I'm the 5th generation, and we're down to 32 acres now. So we're just looking to revitalize the farm and do our part in creating a sustainable agriculture and conservation place to be a part of the community, both the human community and the animal and plant and insect community, and just be good stewards of the land. So we're exploring all avenues of what we can do here to connect with natural resources, create thriving pollinator resources, create food for the neighborhood, and have fun. So right now it's a blank canvas. The sky's the limit. I'm really excited about creating space and habitat to have a more natural and organic presence on the property. Not only to pollinate our gardens and flowers and resources, but just create a sanctuary and food and safe haven for them. I'm really working with the neighboring farms and encouraging no spray practices. If they are heavily sprayed, finding alternative resources to manage noxious weeds and maintain their crops, because for my own health and our family's health, we've actually had some problems in the past with the high glyphosate use in the area. So we're just, if it's impacting us and our big human bodies, we're really conscientious of how it's affecting our smaller and more important families around here, like the bees. So we're a no spray farm, and we're just want to create habitat for the bees. And I love the idea of the log bees and just letting them do their thing, and then just making sure they're well taken care of by not interfering with them. So yeah, lots to learn still, but if we can create homes here by a couple of hollowed out logs and hands-off approach, then we're excited to jump in and get started.